Little Bird Tales, presented by Valerie Day. I'm going to present a product. The product will help your students create and write an effective story. Writing process. Do students have difficulties creating stories with a beginning, middle, and ending? Do students have difficulty sequencing a story? Teachers need help. Is there a software that can help students practice writing an effective story? Yes, Little Bird Tales. Why use Little Bird Tales? Do students love to draw pictures and take digital photos? Do students love to tell stories? Can students use their photos and drawings to create an effective story? Connect what students like to do, like drawing and taking pictures and telling stories, to help them be able to construct an effective written story through digital storytelling. Little Bird Tales. Little Bird Tales is a creative digital storytelling tool. It's fun, fast, and easy. Its focus is on preschool through 6th grade levels. It's a free software. Benefits of Little Bird Tales is that it encourages creativity and self-expression. It reinforces reading and writing skills, provides keepsakes for students and families. Easy steps. You create a free account, click Create a Tale, illustrate the tale, write and record your voice, share your story. Do you have a computer with internet access, basic computer skills, an idea for a story? If you answered yes, then let's get started. You will go to your internet browser. You will look up Little Bird Tales, www.littlebirdtales.com. This is the home page for Little Bird Tales. Here you can create an account by clicking this button. After you have signed into your account, you will have your home screen for your account. You can click Create a Tale to start a new tale. I am now going to show you an example of a story written by a 6-year-old on Little Bird Tales. Here is the cover page of the story. Down here under Tale Title, she titled the tale When I Lost My Tooth. She chose to use the draw pad to draw the pictures of the story. If you click on the draw, it comes up with Little Bird Tales art pad. You can choose colors. You can come over here and choose what kind of shape you want your breast to be, to add shapes in your picture, and then you hit save when you are done. On this screen, you can also record your voice with the green button. You click record, and if you were recording the title, you would say, When I Lost My Tooth. You click save, and it goes to the next pages. We'll go to page 1 of the story. On page 1, as you can see, she chose to use the draw pad again. If you wanted to upload a picture to the story off your computer, you click upload, and then it will bring up your computer, your My Documents in your computer, where you can select the photo or the scan drawing that you want to upload into the story. Again, you can record your voice from this page, and you have your text box down here. Over here it shows all your pages of your story so that you can click to each page and go back and edit at any time. After you're done with your story, you can go back to My Tales. And here you have the options to play your story, to edit, to create a PDF file, or to delete your tale. Under the More options, there is Share the Tale, which brings up this screen where you can add in email addresses and you can write a message of who you are sharing your story to. That is just a simple overlook of the product Little Bird Tales. Some key points to remember. Little Bird Tales is a free software. Digital storytelling made easy. You can record your voice to tell the story. You have the option to use your own drawings, photos, or other images. You have the option to share your story. Objectives for students and adult users. The students will be able to present a story using Little Bird Tales with a beginning, middle, and ending. Adult users will be able to demonstrate and teach students how to use the product. Students will write a story using text and pictures and share their story they created. Adult users will teach the writing process to students. Students will be able to show how they created their story on Little Bird Tales. Adult users should be able to instruct the students on how to create a story. Now it's your turn to create a story on Little Bird Tales. Go to Little Bird Tales at www.littlebirdtales.com and create a free account. Click on Create a New Tale. Your tale needs to have pictures, text, audio, and at least 10 pages. Can you create a story on Little Bird Tales? Take a moment and answer these questions. Does the story have a beginning, middle, and ending? Yes or no? Does the story have pictures, recorded audio, and text? Yes or no? Does the story have at least 10 pages? Yes or no? Can you play back your story? Yes or no? If you had answered yes to all of these questions, then you've successfully made a story on Little Bird Tales. Congratulations. AASL standards. Read, review, and listen for information presented in any format, in any order to make inferences and gather meaning. Demonstrate mastery of technology skills for accessing information and pursuing inquiry. Use technology and other information tools to analyze and organize information. Let the digital storytelling begin. Visit Little Bird Tales today.